What's in my summer travel bag? Warmer days call for bigger adventures. See how we pack for our next trip this season by going through our summer beauty favorites. When packing toiletries for the summer, there's always a few additional items I like to throw in to deal better with the heat. With the temperature rising up, mas pagpapawisan ka wherever you go. To stay fresh and bongga despite the sweltering heat, I always pack a bottle of Avon Feeling Fresh Quelch Deo Cream. It helps reduce perspiration, so di mo na rin kailangan mag-fan. You want to make sure that you get tan lines, but not on your underarms. Of course, I always bring an SPF lotion with me to keep my whole body moisturized. When you're going to the beach, dapat laging may sunscreen on your face. I love this sunscreen kasi wala siyang white cast and I can easily wear it under my makeup. Super intense ng init these days, so never forget to bring your umbrella too. Here's what I bring to stay fresh and pretty despite the humid weather. Before putting makeup on, moisturize your face first. I love using the Anew 360 Fairness Day Cream kasi it targets the problem areas and helps heal dark spots and hyperpigmentation. You'd want to stay shine-free and shimmer-free all day lalo na kapag mainit, so go for all-control foundations. I use my Simply Pretty Smooth and White Pressed Powder to keep my makeup flawless and fresh throughout the day. This summer, isama ang moisturizing products to your priority list para hydrated ka wherever you go. Micellar water is a #1 must in my bag. It's travel-friendly and it's a multitasker. May cleanser ka na and may makeup remover ka pa. After removing your makeup, it's still very important to deep cleanse para sigurado ka na walang may iwan na makeup residue on your face. Using a toner is an important step in doing your routine because it provides that extra cleanse. Syempre, if maghapon ka na sa labas at initan, may tendency for your skin to dry out. So girl, moisturize all the way kapag nakuwi ka na. Thanks for watching! See you on the next video! See more by subscribing to us at youtube.com/avonph. Follow us on Instagram at instagram.com/avonph and on Facebook at facebook.com/avonphilippines.